Is it your own car?
Yes.
Oh, lucky you.
On the way back, we'll get some juice.
Not really sure there.
For a little while, but you never know what's round the corner, do you? You don't know. If someone wants to buy it from you and you pay you the right price, then you know you'd have to consider it. I don't know what the right price is, but you never say never, can you?
Oh, there's a friend.
Yep.
Almost empty.
I'll go down the way. We'll shut the road and then come back. And
that's fine. Nice weather. You also go out in the rain?
I also go out
in the rain, in the wet?
Nah, I don't need to. Car in the wet, it's a bit twitchy. Right, we'll go in there, we'll get some bits of petrol.
Too loud. I thought it's going to be much louder.
Oh, it can be loud when you squirt the what we got here? 55 ultimate, that will do. Oh, I can do that, but these roads is just like impossible. Along there, it used to be national speed limit.